Hi everyone, and welcome back. So, I've got to be honest with you, the past couple of weeks I've been feeling a bit down. You know how it is, scrolling through social media and seeing all those perfect lives can make reality feel pretty, well, less than perfect. But you know what? I had a little revelation while I was sitting at my desk, sipping my cup of coffee. And I've been trying to make sense of my thoughts until I realized that a great solution to my internal turmoil was actually sitting a few inches from me, close by on the desk. It was my sketchbook. I grabbed it and started doodling something, anything really. In my case, it was just my empty coffee cup. Not the most amazing subject, and I didn't have any intention to make it pretty either. I wasn't trying to create a beautiful piece of art or follow any fancy techniques. I was simply drawing, no strings attached. And in that moment, I remembered why I love art so much. Art isn't just about creating pretty pictures. It's a powerful tool for emotional expression and healing for the artist, but also for the viewer. When you're feeling down, channeling your emotions into drawing or painting can help you process and release those feelings. It makes you connect with the present moment through a simple action, releasing you from the negative thoughts, the stress, the future problems, the past regrets, the uncertainty of life. None of that should be there. It's like a mini therapy session. In those moments, it's just you and your feelings, taking form on the page in an open book. You can go wild, you can create the most chaotic, ugly drawing imaginable. And when you are done, you get to turn the page and start fresh. How cool is that? Externalizing your inner world and putting it into a visual form can offer a sense of relief, but can also give you clarity. Because once the worst feelings shaping that brain fog dissipate, what's left is logic, rationality, and even a sprinkle of positivity. You realize you are strong and capable of handling whatever mess life throws your way. And let's not forget probably the most simple yet super effective aspect of it all. Drawing something can very much boost your confidence. Completing a piece of artwork, no matter how simple or how small, gives you a sense of accomplishment and reinforces the idea that you can make progress even on tough days. And this could be especially uplifting when you're feeling demotivated. Remember, art is not just about the final product, but the journey of creating and expressing yourself. If you're feeling down, I hope you feel better soon. See you next. Bye.